Hi and welcome to Westpac London's end of day videocast for Monday the 11th of July. For those of you that don't know me, my name's Altaz and I'm just going to be covering for James for the next couple of weeks while he's on his travels. In terms of the start of the week, very poor. Markets continuing to have this hangover from last Friday's very disappointing US jobs report. On top of that, over the weekend, continued negative news coming out around Europe. Focus today, I mean, there's very little in the way of economic data. The EU Finance Ministers meeting very much taking focus. Now the meeting originally was planned to discuss the second Greek bailout. It looks like the more broader issues now of Italy and possibly Spain as well being discussed given the rise that we've seen in funding costs over the last few days. Today, for example, Italy 10-year bond yields hitting 5.67, Spanish 10-year bond yields hitting 6%, both record highs since the inception of the euro. Very much concerned how these countries are going to go and continue funding themselves at these kind of levels. If you note, 7% level was the trigger point for Portugal, Greece and Ireland to end up going cap in hand to the EU and the IMF, and it looks like we're very uncomfortably close to that at the moment. Now, in terms of the ministers' meeting, we didn't actually get any concrete comments out of that. It is a two-day meeting, I believe, so hopefully we get something out tomorrow. But at this stage, it doesn't really look like we're going to get any concrete resolution in the next few days. So while this kind of uncertainty persists, I think risk assets are going to remain under pressure. In terms of actual numbers today, equity markets, very poor day. European markets were down just below 3%. FTSE slightly better, down 1%. US markets at the moment averaging around down about 1.5%. In currency space, the Aussie dollar down 0.8% today, just trading at 106.60 at the moment. Actually outperforming some of the other crosses today. Euro dollar, the one being hit the hardest, down 1.5%, and just now sitting above key support level at 140. Commodities, gold continues to benefit from this rising risk aversion, currently around 15.45. Oil also just slightly down on the day though, at $95 a barrel. In terms of coming up, we've still got the earnings season, Q2 US kicking off. Alcoa will be starting at the US close today. In terms of Aussie data, we've got the NAB Business Confidence Surveys today, just ahead of our own Westpac's Consumer Confidence Survey on Wednesday. That's it from me, and I'll see you tomorrow.